Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today we're diving into a detailed review of Google Fi Wireless. So if you're considering switching to this service or just curious about what it offers, so here I'll be explaining the pricing, features, pros and cons of Google Fi. So Google Fi Wireless, formerly known as Project Fi, is an American MVNO or mobile virtual network operator service provided by Google. So it offers telephone calls, SMS, and mobile broadband using both cellular networks and Wi-Fi. So let's take a look at the pricing. As you can see, they offers three main plans: the flexible plan, the simply unlimited and unlimited plans. So the flexible plan allows you to pay for the data you use at $10 per gigabyte. It's great if you're often connected to Wi-Fi and don't need unlimited data. Here on the simply unlimited, so for $80 per month plus taxes and fees, you get unlimited talk, text, and data. So hotspot access is included. And the Unlimited Plus, as you can see, it priced at $110 per month plus taxes and fees. So this plan offers unlimited data with data slowing down after 50 gig. So it also includes a free Google One membership with 100 gig of cloud storage and 6 months of YouTube Premium. Now let's explore the pros and cons of Google Fi Wireless to help you make an informed decision. So let's take a look at the pros. First one is the international travel benefits. Google Fi offers seamless service during international trips. You won't encounter surprise charges and you pay the same rate as you do at home. Whether you're in Tokyo or Paris, Google Fi keeps you connected without unexpected fees. Next is the customer service. Representatives are responsive and helpful, quick tips, and problem solving, no drama. Next is the flexibility. You can switch your plan at any time based on your travel schedule or data needs. The flexible plan allows you to pay for the data you use at $10 per gigabyte, making it great if you're often connected to Wi Fi. Finally, the affordability. While not the cheapest cell phone plan on the market, Google Fi is an affordable option for frequent travelers without the complexities of major carriers. Now, what is the cons? First one, video streaming limitation. Google Fi limits video streaming to standard definition of 480p. If high quality video streaming is essential for you, this might be a drawback. Next is the data overages. If you use more than the 10 gigs per month, the overage charges can add up. Keep an eye on your data usage if you're an unlimited plan. So in summary, Google Fi Wireless provides excellent international travel benefits, responsive customer service, and flexibility. However, consider the video streaming limitation and data overages when making your decision. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.